Hi, my name is Arif Billah. Today I wanna show you how to get 1 year free subscription from Amazon. Actually, you will get 12 months of free server access or something else. They are provide a lot of services 1 year free. Okay, so let's go to the Chrome browser, and now I just search on the Google AWS free tier. Okay, so you will get this link and go to the link and you will create a free account. Okay, so now you will give here your email account, your name. Okay, so you just enter the verification process. You need to add your contact details, payment gateway. This is very easy. You just continue this process and you will get 1 year free access. So this is very easy. So let's go my panel. Okay, I already complete this process, so that's why I can show you. So let's see here the dashboard. After you log in, you will get the dashboard like this, and now we deploy a server. Okay, so what I need to do? Okay, so if you not see this interface, you just here search EC2. Okay, actually we are using EC2 instance for our service. Okay, so just you click on the launch instance. Okay, click on the launch instance. After launch instance, you will get this interface. Just here I just enter the server name, my server, or you can enter your company name. Okay, and I am choosing here Ubuntu. You know, Ubuntu is the most popular OS, and this is very secure and popular OS. Okay, so I choose this one, and Ubuntu, it's by default is okay, CPU is okay, and now we need to create a key pair. Okay, just click on the key pair. The name of the key pair, I just here write my key pairs, or my what we was naming my server. Okay, this is the best thing. You write the name of the your server. You can write whatever you like. Okay, so I just create key pair, and you will get download option. I saved it. Create security group and just tick mark here, and you see here only 8 GB are selected, but we want to we want 13 GB. Okay, just enter 13 GB. Okay, our configuration is well. Just now we just click on the launch instance button. Okay, after few minutes the server will be active. Okay, we see here successfully initiate launch of instance, and go to the instance. Okay, you see our server is here listed, but it's now pending. We wait something like 1 minute. After 1 minute it will be successed. Okay, and the server will be active. We can enter our server. We already download myserver.pme file, that actually SSH file. When we log in on our server, we need this SSH key. Okay, we see here our server is running, so we need to download a software. The software we are using for connecting or entering our server or accessing our server. Okay, we just putty right putty download. Okay, download putty, and okay, you see here to 64 bits. We download this one. We also need to download a puttygen software that actually convert myserver.pme to ppk file. Okay, so our putty not supported this file, so that's why we need another software, pu puttygen. So you see here puttygen .com download putty. If you not found, you just write this URL and hit enter. So I will get the puttygen software. Okay, you see here I just download this puttygen 64-bit. Okay, if I go to the download option, here I see this 3 file. Okay, so first one is puttygen. I just open this puttygen and load our file. At first, that would be better if I create a new folder, my server, and move the file on this server folder and open puttygen and click on the load and go to the all file, select all file, and I select this pme extension file and open. After open, you will get you see the key, and I just save the private key and yes. Okay, and I named my server. Okay, and save. Okay, you see here on of the extension, the name of the extension is myserver.ppk. Okay, now we will prepare to enter our server. So the next tutorial I will show you how to access your server, and another things I will discuss the next tutorial. Okay, thank you.